how to fix Path of Exile 2 texture not loading problem. So in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can fix the textures not loading problem of the game Path of Exile 2. So in order to do this you have to open Steam and click on your game and then click on the settings button. Once you do this you have to click on manage and click on browse local files. Now what you have to do is you have to copy the path, not the game files but only the path of your game file. Just copy the path and now close everything. Now what you have to do is open the settings app and click on system. Once you do this, click on graphics settings and click on browse. Once you do this, now you have to remember you copied a path before of your game directory. You have to click on here this empty space and remove all this and paste your path here. Once you paste your path here, you have to select your game application and click on add here. Once you do this, you have to click on your game and click on options and click on high performance and save. Once you do this, you have to restart your PC again, and once your PC is restarted, your problem should be solved. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. So yes, this is how you can do it. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.